Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.